Hey guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be going over what is Forex and how you can make money trading. So first of all, what is Forex? Forex is short for the foreign exchange market, which to put simply is a global market where you can trade currencies from different countries with other traders around the world virtually. You might be wondering, how can I make money trading Forex? To make things as simple as possible, you can do this in two separate ways. First, you can buy a currency when it's low and sell it back when it's high, or you can sell a currency when it's high and buy it back when it's low. So here's an example of buying a currency and making profit. When buying the currency pair Euro-USD, you're trading euros for the US dollars in hopes that the euro will increase in strength against the US dollar. When price increases from the price you originally entered, it'll in turn generate a profit for you once you sell it back to the market at premium. So if you buy the Euro-USD at $1 and sell it back at $1.50, you would have made a profit for that 50 cents in between. Looking at this chart here, you could have bought at the very low and you could have sold at the very high. And by doing so, you'd make that profit in between. An example of selling a currency and making profit is very similar to the buy example, except you're going to be doing the opposite. So when selling the pair Euro-USD, you're trading euros for US dollars in hopes that the euro will decrease in strength against the US dollar. When price decreases from the price originally entered, it'll in turn generate a profit for you when you buy it back from the market at a premium. So if you sell Euro-USD at $1 and buy it back at 50 cents, you would have made that profit in between. Similar to the previous example, right here you can sell from the high and buy back from the low, and you make that profit in between. So looking at the previous examples, you can see that profiting by trading Forex is pretty much unlimited if you do it properly. So when the market is good, you can make money by buying, and when the market is bad, you can make money by selling. In the next videos, we'll explain what is traded in Forex and which pairs we specifically follow on our watch list.